This isn't farming, this is war. And the battlefield? Dense forests, tangled roots, and timber thicker than your torso. But when this beast rolls in, the trees don't fall, they surrender. One arm, one grip, and 1,000 kilos of hardwood rise like feathers. You're not just watching logging, you're watching domination. In the world of professional forestry, speed and power are everything. Meet the ultimate combo for timber operations. The high-powered forestry trailer head with an integrated log grapple arm. This isn't just machinery, it's a full-scale harvesting solution, built to conquer forests, clear land, and move timber like never before. At the heart of this beast is a heavy-duty trailer frame designed for hauling even the largest logs over rough terrain. Mounted directly onto it is a hydraulic grapple arm, engineered with 360-degree rotation, extendable reach, and multi-joint articulation. This arm isn't just strong, it's precise. From thick trunks to twisted branches, it clamps, lifts, and loads with surgeon-like control. Combined with high-traction wheels and reinforced axles, this machine can travel deep into the woods, over mud, gravel, slopes, or roots, carrying full loads without compromise. In action, the system shines brightest. Within seconds, the arm grips a massive log, hoists it into place, and secures it on the trailer. No delays, no wasted movement. It's optimized for speed and safety, allowing a single operator to perform what used to take an entire crew. Whether you're harvesting pine, eucalyptus, acacia, or hardwoods, this machine delivers clean, controlled handling every time. And thanks to the hydraulic stability legs, even on uneven terrain, the grip stays steady and the trailer stays grounded. Compatible with most tractors and ATVs. High-capacity log stacking and sorting. Reduced labor and operational cost. Rugged steel construction for years of field use. Minimal maintenance with maximum uptime. Perfect for commercial forestry, plantation maintenance, and timber logistics. This isn't just another piece of equipment, it's the backbone of modern forestry. The log grapple trailer combo, made to move wood, built to move your business forward. Subscribe now for more forestry power in motion. What if one machine could cut down a massive tree and strip its bark clean in one single motion? This is the ultimate forestry attachment, a tree cutting and debarking head mounted on a high-power excavator, engineered for speed, precision, and brutal strength. It starts with the hydraulic clamp, locking tightly around the trunk like a vise. Then, razor-sharp rotating blades slice through the wood in seconds. Immediately after, high-torque rollers and knives spin into action, peeling bark layer by layer, leaving behind clean timber ready for processing. No delays, no separate stages. This head does it all at once, saving you time, labor, fuel, and equipment cost. Even on steep terrain or deep forest, the excavator arm provides flexibility and reach. It can tackle large diameter trees, dense thickets, and even twisted or frozen trunks, without slowing down. Cuts and debarks in one pass. Works in harsh weather and terrain. Minimizes labor and maximizes safety. Boosts output and timber quality. Whether you're working in commercial logging, land clearing, or forest restoration, this combination is a total game changer. It's not just a machine. It's a powerful extension of the modern forester's will, faster, cleaner, and more efficient than ever before. When forests need to be moved, fast, safe, and in bulk, there's only one kind of machine that gets the job done right: a log skidder equipped with a hydraulic grapple arm. This isn't just a tractor, it's the muscle of the forest, a heavy-duty hauling beast designed to grip, lift, drag, and stack timber with unstoppable force. At the heart of the system is the hydraulic grapple, a powerful claw-like mechanism engineered to handle multiple large logs at once. It locks onto timber with precision control, reducing waste and slippage, even in rough terrain. The 360-degree rotation allows full maneuverability, letting the operator adjust grip and direction on the fly. Whether it's dense pine, hardwood, or twisted trunks, this machine grabs, lifts, and moves like an extension of the operator's hand. High-torque hydraulic control for smooth, stable operation. Reinforced arms and steel grips designed for all weather. Fast loading and unloading cycles. Minimized ground damage due to balanced design and low-pressure tires. It's ideal for commercial logging, forest fire cleanup, timberyard operations, remote or steep terrain jobs. This is not just an upgrade, it's the next evolution in timber transport, turning labor-intensive hauling into an efficient one-operator system. When power meets control and steel meets smart hydraulics, you don't just move logs, you move forests. You're looking at one of the most brutal tools in the forestry industry. This isn't just an excavator. It's a ground-shattering beast, armed with a high-torque stump drill that turns thick, stubborn roots into splinters within seconds. In the world of land clearing, tree stumps are the final enemy. Cutting the tree is only half the battle. What remains underground is a tangled mass of roots that refuses to let go. But that's exactly where this machine shines. With its massive spiral bit, forged from hardened industrial steel, this drill goes deep, gripping, twisting, and tearing through the earth and root like a predator through bone. Each rotation generates thousands of pounds of force, driving through even the toughest stumps as if they were soft clay. And this isn't just raw power, it's precision destruction. The excavator's arm provides stable, directional pressure, while the drill's geometry channels that force straight into the heart of the root system. Let's break down the advantages. High efficiency. A single operator can remove a fully mature stump in under 2 to 3 minutes. Fuel-smart operation. Precision. Focus means no wasted movement, saving on diesel. Minimal ground disturbance. The drill targets the stump directly, avoiding unnecessary soil disruption. All-terrain ready. Whether it's frozen ground, swampy forest, or compacted clay, the unit powers through. This setup is ideal for logging sites preparing for replanting, agricultural land conversion, wildfire recovery and debris clearance, construction zones needing clean subsoil. Now imagine this tool on a remote site. No power lines, no fancy equipment, just this monster excavator drilling, twisting, ripping stump after stump, clearing an entire hillside in hours instead of weeks. And the best part? Once the stump is gone, you're left with loose mulch, ready to compost, burn, or haul. No need for additional grinding or bulldozing. This is not just about getting the job done, it's about doing it smarter, faster, and with unstoppable force. Because in forestry, time is profit, and power is everything. And when this stump drill hits the soil, nothing stays rooted for long. Imagine taking a tree, thick, solid, raw, and turning it into soft sawdust in just seconds. No chainsaws, no axes, just one machine. This is the high-capacity wood crusher, the king of modern forestry processing. A beast built to grind down the ungrindable. It doesn't matter if it's logs, limbs, scrap wood, bark, or pallets. If it's wood, it gets crushed. At the heart of this machine is a high-speed rotating drum, armed with heavy-duty blades and hammers. The feeding system grabs raw wood and pulls it in like a hungry mouth. In a matter of seconds, the wood is shredded, smashed, and pulverized into ultra-fine sawdust, consistent, clean, and ready for use. So, what makes this machine a game changer? Power. Driven by a massive industrial motor, this crusher can process several tons of wood per hour, non-stop. Precision. Adjustable screens and blade configurations allow you to control the texture and size of the output. Versatility. Suitable for hardwood, softwood, wet logs, bark-covered trunks, even treated lumber. Efficiency. Reduces labor costs, speeds up production, and minimizes waste. In real-world applications, this machine is a cornerstone of biomass energy production, MDF and particle board factories, animal bedding and compost industries, fuel pellet plants. What used to take hours, cutting, chipping, drying, now happens in one continuous process. Drop the log in, get sawdust out. It's that simple. But it's not just about convenience. This machine turns forest waste into profit. It helps clear land, reduce fire hazards, recycle leftovers, and feed clean industries. It's tough, it's relentless, and it doesn't stop. This is more than a machine. It's the heartbeat of sustainable wood processing. And it's changing the future of forestry, one crushed log at a time. In the dense, tangled chaos of the forest undergrowth, there's no room for hesitation. Bushes, thorny vines, thick shrubs, saplings, they all stand in the way of progress. Enter the high-powered brush cutter and forest clearing machine. This isn't your average tool. It's an unstoppable force engineered to tame the wild. With a spinning drum or blade head rotating at high speed, this beast slices through vegetation like a knife through butter. It can level a jungle of underbrush in minutes, clearing paths, preparing sites, and creating safe zones with surgical precision. But it's not just fast, it's brutally efficient. Heavy-duty hydraulics allow this machine to tackle uneven terrain, dense growth, and even small trees. Multi-purpose attachment systems make it adaptable. Swap heads for different tasks, from cutting to mulching. Minimal manpower needed. One operator, one machine, massive output. Whether you're managing forest fire prevention, clearing land for planting, or maintaining trails, this machine slashes labor time and operational costs dramatically. And with lower ground impact compared to traditional bulldozers, it leaves the soil undisturbed, ready for reforestation or development. This is where raw power meets purpose. It doesn't just clear the land, it reclaims it. When the wild stands in your way, this is what you send in.